Good morning. It is 6 a.m. and it is time to make breakfast. No surprise here, but I'm making my protein oats. I'll probably use Legion salted caramel. I've also been obsessed with putting frozen blueberries on my oats instead of apples. Just like that cold and warm combo. It is so cold now here in Pacific Northwest, so I'm definitely feeling something warmer. So let's go ahead and get something to eat. It is now about 9:45 and I just got back from a doctor's appointment, did some grocery shopping for recipe testing today, and then I made my almond milk pumpkin spice latte as usual. I'm gonna sit down and do some computer work for a bit, and then I have a therapy appointment, do some more computer work, lunch, and then recipes, and that's the rest of my day. It is now 11 o'clock. I just finished my therapy session. Feeling good. So I'm really hungry. I'm gonna make some lunch. I meal prepped some delicious food for the week. Some shredded teriyaki chicken. This is literally the easiest thing ever. I just shredded chicken and then added in some Primal Kitchen teriyaki sauce. So easy, good. I have some leftover zucchini from yesterday's dinner. I have some roasted broccoli that I meal prepped, and then I also have some brown rice. And then I'm gonna chop it with some pickled ginger, which is what I'm setting my phone on right now. So delicious, let's eat. It is now almost dinner time. I'm done recipe testing for the day. I tested a really yummy chicken burrito bowl that's so easy and simple to make. We're gonna have that for dinner. It's literally, you just have to warm everything up. We have avocado crema, pico, some yummy chicken, a seared then baked, and then brown rice. It'll be really good. So I'm so excited to eat.